Let X be the number of men working on the project and Y be the number of days that they need to finish the project originally. Okay, so we can denote the total work quantity, total work, in terms of number of men multiplied by number of days. So it will be XY units. Okay, so product of X and Y gives us the total work. Now the second condition that they are given is if the number of men is increased by 25, that is X plus 25, then the number of days required is 5 less than the original. So multiplied by Y minus 5. This is also the expression for total work again. And there is another third expression condition that they are given is if the number of men is reduced by 50, that is X minus 50 people are working on it, then the number of days required is 20 extra, that is Y plus 20. So we have three different expressions for the total work. We'll equate two of these at a time to give us two different equations which will help us solve the problem. So we'll start with the first and the second expression here. So equating these two, we get XY is equal to product of these two brackets. So the product of these two brackets is X into Y is XY, X into minus 5 is minus 5X, then 25 multiplied by Y is plus 25Y, and 25 multiplied by minus 5 will be minus 125. Okay, so XY from both sides will get cancelled. Then I'll simplify this equation in this form. I'll write it as 5X minus 25Y is equal to minus 125. We can divide the entire equation by 5. So I'll get X minus 5Y is equal to minus 25. I'll denote this as first equation. Okay. In the second case, I'll use the first expression and the second expression, equate the two, and I'll get XY on one side and product of these two brackets on the other side. So product of these two is X into Y. Again I'll start with XY. Then minus 50 multiplied by Y is minus 50Y. Then X multiplied by 20 is plus 20X, and minus 50 multiplied by plus 20 is minus 1000. Okay, so XY will get cancelled again from both sides. Then I'll have 20X minus 50Y is equal to 1000. I can divide the entire equation by 10. Therefore, I'll have 2X minus 5Y is equal to 100. This becomes our second equation. Okay, so this is just like the simultaneous equations form. To simplify this, we need to eliminate one of the variables. So I'll first start with eliminating Y here. Both the coefficients are minus 5. So I'll subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 2 minus equation 1 gives 2x minus x is x, minus 5y, minus of minus 5 will get cancelled, so it will be 0, and equal to 100 minus minus 25. So this will get positive, and 100 plus 25 will be 125. Therefore, x is equal to 125. That is, number of men originally working on the project is 125. So we have the value of one variable. Now we'll find out the value of the other variable by using this value in equation 1. So I have 125 minus 5y is equal to minus 25. Therefore, minus 5y is equal to minus 150. Right? Therefore, I have y is equal to 30. That is, the original number of days required by these 125 men to finish the work is 30 days. So 125 men and 30 days are the values that we need as our answer.